Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for a sweet garden scene. In this video I will be Copic colouring and assembling a card, just keeping it simple this week. If you enjoy my content, make sure to get clicky for Vicki. Like, subscribe and ring the bell, your support means the world to me. For this card I used lawn fawn textured canvas cardstock in green, pink, blue, teal, red and orange, and yellow. I also used a lawn fawn grassy hillside border, garden mouse stamp set, the stitched cloud backdrop in portrait, fruit salad 6x6 paper, and the reveal wheel tulip add-on. I begin by colouring my stamped images. I stamped them on super smooth £100 cardstock in Memento Tuxedo black ink and used Copic markers to colour them. The caps can be seen on the screen. I die cut and fussy cut all of the pieces needed for this card off screen and begin the assembly. I attach foam squares to the mouse and the flower pot, but do not attach them to the card just yet. Next I assemble the tulips using liquid glue. This die was originally made as an add-on for the lawn fawn reveal wheel, but can easily be used without the interactive element. Once assembled, I tuck the stems of the tulips under the grass and make sure I vary the heights. Once happy with the placement, I adhere them with liquid glue. At this point I had the idea to make the tulips plain on the outside and patterned on the inside, so I added the outline part to finish them off. My card needed a sentiment and I loved the "You Grow Girl." This little mouse has big ambitions for her potted tulips. I stamped the sentiment on a stitched banner, keeping it to the right size as I will be cutting the left side away. I have a quick think about where I want my mouse and flower pot to go and then remove the backers to the foam pads to adhere the images to the card. And I also attached a banner. I attached the panel to a card base using liquid glue. And that is it. A simple and quick card to give a little encouragement. Using patterned and textured paper, take it up a notch without any extra effort. This card was inspired by episode 231 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. I have tulips, which are plain on the outside and patterned on the inside. I thought of traditional tulip colours in red, yellow and orange. I was inspired by a tulip festival, and the tulips have a checked pattern. So it really is all about the tulips this week. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about, and I hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It's so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I'll be back soon.